This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite trades, Tesla. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Tesla, daily chart. Now, if you watch my past videos here on Tesla, you'll notice that what I pointed out here was your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder, and then pow. Okay, so what you have to do is look at this neckline right here. Okay, so this is sitting at 217.65, and then you take minus the 101.81. Okay, then you reverse that. Okay, flip that over, and you got really the target on this is $333. So it's not going to go there today or tomorrow, but that is going to be the big target on Tesla when it rips up. So you just take this pattern, flip it upside down, and that's basically what you have. All right, let's look at today's action here. Okay, what we have here is this is going to be the key resistance level right here. Okay, so you're looking at 257.64. Now it went higher than that today, but that is on a closing basis. Okay, that is going to be very, very key resistance levels. Okay, now if it can get above that, then what we want to do is look to the bottom of this candle. So you're looking at 261.12. Okay, and then we have here 262.45, and we have 265 flat. Then we go to this candle here. You're looking at 274.75, and then your big retest and breakout is 276.99. Okay, so that is your upside. Now on the downside, you want to look at the top of this candle here. Okay, so you're looking at 250.39. Then we want to look to the bottom of this candle here, 248.89. And then we want to look at this key 21 SMA here, sitting at 240.58. That is going to be very, very key support. Now, this sold down here. Here was your gap. Your gap was at 242.02, and your fill here is sitting at 235.23. Now, this candle never came down to that fill area, which is, I really wish you would have filled it and be done with it. Okay, so now if this 21 day is lost, look right to this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 235.23. Now there's another gap right here. Okay, so you look at the low is 223.20, and then we look at the fill here, 221.91. Okay, so there's your gap and there's your fill. These are always your target if it sells on down. Okay, so what we want to do here is let's look here on the weekly and on a monthly chart. Okay, here on your weekly, you can see here how this sold off. Okay, it was just putting in lower highs. Okay, came all the way down. Now, basically, this has nothing really to do with the stock. It was everything to do with Musk and the selling shares by Twitter. Okay, so that basically was it. So what we want to do is, here's that daily chart again. Let me just big it up a little bit here. Okay, so you want to watch this key 257.70 now. Okay, and then here go to this monthly. Look at where this 21 is. Okay, you're sitting at 258.44. It needs to close above. If it does, then we just look at all these candles here all the way on up here. Okay, but this is going to be key resistance right here. This 8 SMA here is also going to be very, very key resistance on your levels here. Okay, so now we just look at here. You know, this got really overbought here, so you know that was the selling time. Okay, now we have a crossover here, which I don't like. That looks like that wants to just go lower here. So we got to see how that all shakes out. Now, this here, it never really made it to the 70 on the RSI, and then it pulled right on back. But if you look at your monthly chart, see your monthly, you have a lot of room. Once you get a crossover on that, on your MACD, that can run a lot higher, and you are only sitting at 53.9. You have a long way to go here on your monthly chart. So any kind of pullback on this is going to be a good buying opportunity. You have a lot of stuff going forward. Okay, you have all these charging machines. Everybody's going to adapt to that. So there's no problem with the stock here. Okay, just as long as Musk doesn't start selling any more shares. That's going to be the key. So remember, on the upside, watch this key, and then always watch these gaps and these fills. That is going to be the key support levels. All right, thanks for watching.